Hi, my name is Lori with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make an entire Thanksgiving meal. Now that our pie crust is nice and chilled and ready to go in our tart pan, and we've got our pecan pie filling, all we're going to do is simply fill our pecan pie in our tart. And remember, with these pecan pies, you can actually make them ahead of time, like a day or two before your guests arrive, and that'll again free up more time for you to spend with your guests. Now we're going to put this in an oven at 350 degrees, and we're going to allow it to cook for about 30 minutes or until the inside is set. So when you jiggle it, it shouldn't move at all. Now we're going to check to see if our pecan pie tart is done. It looks done here. You can tell it's done by when I touch it, it's not really springing back at all. You can also look at the crust here and see that the crust is a nice golden color. And that is how you make a pecan pie tart.